Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I am here to react on a post, a comment rather, a comment from one of you. I often receive this kind of message that, oh, you say this, you say that, hand go touch you, you have been paid, you have been doing that, you have done that. It is normal, you understand? I made a post to show, for us to see what is going on in Imo State, how they burned down markets and people's house and made some people homeless. Somebody on my comment section said I should call my madam talking to COS. I should call her to do what? You claim that you hijack everything. You are bragging about it. You are very proud of it. And here you are looking for somebody. I should call madam. I should ask her what. So you are no longer in charge. You told us acting prime minister is next to PM that they talk every day. They are this, they are that. They know you, you know them. Everything is about them. Right? And here you are looking for somebody to do the job for you. What happened to your activities? Men on ground is your hands. You are in control. She know nobody. She's talking for herself. Nobody listen to her. She's agent of Nigeria. So if she's agent of Nigeria to really like you claim, and Nigerians are burning and destroying, our land, and the only person you suggest is that somebody that you say is agent to come and do magic. So you are not, for you to say that, it simply means that you lied when you said she's agent. How can you tell us to call agent of Nigeria to come and fight the agent of Nigeria? The same thing that, I told you that we used to, you have been here before. PM received this kind of thing. That's what they told PM, that he's a agent of Nigeria. He's this, he's that. Get him out, do this and do that. And what happened? DOS called him those names. He represents Nigerian government. He's Tinubu boy. He's APC man. They sent him to destroy our neighbor. That was the slogan when P2B was running for president. He's the cause of insecurity. Our people are dying. They're kidnapping people because of him. In fact, he is the one doing it. Now is going 2 months. The same thing is happening, and in fact, it is non-clear. They have testified the attack, agent of Nigeria. Now they have succeeded in holding him, taking him out. Has he stopped anything? What is the security situation in our land? You guys are here again. CS is the agent of Nigeria. She is the problem. They send her to destroy this movement. They use that connotation. Now, to some of you saying, call her for the security issue in our land. Let her do something. The same you is bragging that Butuzo is on your side. That all the commanders on your side. You should not touch success. That thing that you are dragging for insecurity, for our people not to go through pains, is what is going on now. And yet, you're still telling us to call and tell. You see, I'm not here to drag anyone, to side anybody. You may say whatever you want to say, but the truth will always remain the truth. Okay? You cannot eat your cake and have it. It doesn't matter what you think. The truth remains the same. You cannot change it. You may try to cover it up, it will still surface to show that, look, I am truth, current concern, this is what I am, and this is what I represent. It may not favor you, it may not sound good to you because you don't like it, but that is what it is. I don't have time to, do proper analysis on this, but let me just do a quick reaction, just a quick response to some of you yapping nonsense. Your comrade now using eggs, invoking voodoo on people for no just reason. calling names, and most someone, hey, car report, mention car report, call car report. You guys are very funny, very 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 funny indeed. I can only, stand by the truth and say the truth when I see one. I'm not here to gain anything from you. The only thing you can help me is super chat. That's the highest you can give me. Not to I pay you money, but if you have paid me money, please come out and say it and prove it. Or you have imagine somebody holding egg and alligator pepper, invoking what I don't know, his own wishes on innocent people. How sure are you of what you claim? That they paid me money. That one is this one, this guy is this guy. How sure are you? Can you prove that? Because for you to use those things simply means that you are sure that you are very very sure of what you're saying. For you on comment section of these people, telling them to mention Mr. A, Mr. B, whatever, that when the whole thing will be bounced back, you will be a partaker as well. I don't have time for nonsense. But let it be on record that we are not here to fight anybody or to drag anything, but to say the truth. If COS turn out tomorrow and start misbehaving, we still say the same thing. You think that we said that I said I don't join any group. I'm not a media team is because I being a media team will be I may gain something to join the media team than broadcasting as an independent broadcaster. But I don't need to say much. All right, I don't need to say much. Then I don't want to go deeper. I just want to just highlight few things on this video. I told us that the cry is too much. I understand your pains. I'm not gonna lie. I understand your pains. US did the same thing. They tried all they could to see a way of making more money, siphoning money, but it's not easy. It is always difficult because people that you want their money, they are waking up. It's not easy to convince anybody in this hard time at the economy. So anybody that accepts to give you money, enjoy it while it lasts. But the truth is that Biafrans are not relenting. They know what is right and what is wrong. Everything that's going on now is happening for a reason. That's all the fact. The cry is much. Like I said, I don't blame you, to be honest. You have been eating, and stopping it is always difficult. Always difficult. Some of you, even a few minutes ago, they are still broadcasting as the time I'm recording this video. But the little time I listen to them, they are crying. Oh, money. That's because Orabueze put Juju in her mouth to make it for people to believe her. That reminds me of DOS again, saying that the PM have voodoo in his mouth. That no way for not on when they poke. That's the only way they see dragon sword. No, I name the Biafra Jesus. If you want to know why Biafran followed COS or PM, is the truth. Truth. Nothing more. There's no charm. There's no charm. Anyway, I know it will be difficult for you to understand it. If you choose to tag me as your enemy, so be it. As long as I'm not your enemy, within me, you're not my enemy. I don't see anybody none of them are my enemy. I see them, like I said, I understand their pains. Trying to, change livelihood is not easy. You are working here and they sack you to get another job, to relocate. It's always difficult. I understand. But please, do it with senses. Just apply some wisdom, okay? Enjoy your day. Like the video and tell me what you think. God bless you guys. I just decided to react on this quickly and sharply. See you again and bye-bye for now.